In this video, I will tell you how to set up auto sell on the Trojan or Solana board. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, you have to get the Trojan on Solana from the link that I will provide in the description below. So all you have to do is to check that link out, and you will get this Trojan on Solana. So once you are here, all you have to do is to create your account. Once you have done that, press on the menu and then click on the start button, and you will see this menu right here. So as you guys can see that, all I'm seeing the address right here. All I have to do is to go to the setting, which is right here. Make sure that you click on this button, and once you do that, there will be a new menu right here. As you guys can see that there are a bunch of options available, and what I have to do is go to the auto sell option and simply click on the auto sell, and that way I'll be able to auto sell put the auto sell option on any of the new sort of exchange or anything, new order or the old order, or I can resume all over or I can create a new one. For example, if I go ahead and click on resume all, it will start resume all. If I have to pause it, if I have any activate order right now and I want to pause it, there will be a pause option right here as well. So if you are new and you just want to put the auto sell in the beginning, just simply go ahead and click on new button, and then you will see your all wallet swaps limits DSA. You can use either of the tags according to your requirement and according to your mindset. And then if you are go ahead and click on all orders, or you can add a new order. You can put the slippage percentage, and you can add the expires and all the tags. And then what you have to do is to make sure you click on button, and that way it will put the auto sell on the Solana. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this very helpful.